is also true. Next, state true or false. First, square of any odd number can be expressed as a sum of two consecutive positive number integers. Okay. Square of any odd number. Okay. Means let's take any odd number. For example, 3. 3 square is 9. So it can be expressed as a sum of two consecutive positive integers. Consecutive means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 can be expressed as 4 plus 5. Okay. 11 square 121 can be expressed as 60 plus 61. Yes, that is also done. It means what? It can be take any number. It can be expressed as consecutive positive integers. But is this true for even number also? Take the square of say 4. 4 is 16. 16 means, can you express it as 8 plus 9? No. You will have to express it as 10 plus 6. So it is not consecutive. So this only applies for odd numbers. Next, B. Square of any natural number